Today in Kibera, Nairobi's largest slum, Benson is repairing 3 water tanks. This one is at Undugu Primary School. Someone has cut a hole in the bottom of the tank to cause a leak.
Hiyo ndo utengeneza plastic. Lakini unajua plastic ina additives. Inaongeza lakini ile kikauka ni strong. Itakuwa more stronger than pande hii. Unless sasa pengine ndio haribike.
Unigei namba yako ndio?
Ha?
Unigei namba yako.
Nitakupatia.
Utakuja kwangu sio mimi mimi wangu pia kuna tagi kama hii wengine kama hii. Sikubali.
It's strange that someone would vandalize a water source used by school children, but the act hints at the complex web of politics surrounding water in Kibera. While city pipes run through Kibera, the Nairobi government does not provide access to water and sanitation to most of the slum. Water cartels must illegally tap into the city pipes with garden hoses. They provide drinking water to the impoverished residents, but only for a fee. It's impossible to determine who vandalized the tanks, but with the assistance of international NGOs, the school was operating independently of the cartel's distribution system. This may have been perceived as a threat.
How are you? Welcome.
Rangi meundua na hiyo.
Na ukivuruta sana si unalewa kidogo.
Eh.
Sasa ukilewa utaweza kufanya hivyo.
Yeah, the cars looks better.
Benson,
Good. Can I actually see?
Crime here is hard to enforce. Even as Benson works, men come to illegally dump septic waste collected from Kibera's pit latrines into Nairobi's sewage system, causing a health hazard to the children playing in the schoolyard. In a few days, the plastic will harden and the tank will be stronger than ever. But without enforceable laws, the cooperation of the government and the cartels, its security is still at risk.